Hello students, today we are going to discuss a very important topic of production management, that is plant locations, and the factors to be considered while selecting the plant location. Site selection is an important activity which decides the fate of a business. A good location may reduce the cost of production and distribution to a considerable extent. The reduction of cost of production and distribution help in elevating either the competitive strength or the profit margin of business. That's why plant location is a very important activity. It is a very important management function that has to be considered, where the plant should be located for maximum operating economy and effectiveness. The question comes to the mind for getting a suitable site or for locating your plant to the factory may arise in certain situation, like when we will have to start a new factory or during the expansion of the existing plant, or when the existing plant is to be relocated at some other place to remove the drawback of the present location or to gain the benefit of a still better location. There are various steps in plant location. First, you have to select that in which country you want to do your business. You want to do your business in your own country, or you want to go outside for locating your plant. Then within the country, you have to select the locality or the community where you want to set up your business unit. And after selecting the locality and the community there, then you have to select the exact site where your plant would be located. But while deciding all these things, there are various factors that has to be considered before selecting the plant location, because this is a very crucial area where lot of research is needed. Otherwise the entire project will fail. So there are various factors which to be considered while selecting a region. First is availability of raw material. It is necessary to consider the adequate supply of raw material and nature of raw material. The cost of raw material are an important element of the total cost of production. If the supply of raw material is not regular, it may lead to frequent stoppages and breakages in the production. The another factor that has to be considered is the nearness to the market, because every producer wants to sell his product in the market. Nearness to market is important from the point of view of his control over the market. In those industries where raw material are obtained from different sources, nearness to the source of raw material is not as important as nearness to the market, because nearness to the market is an important for supplying goods to the consumer in a minimum period of time, adjusting supply according to changes in demand and gaining control over the market. Next is availability of power. There are certain kind of industries like NTPC which needs lot of electricity. NHPC is the another unit where the requirement of lot of electricity, lot of power is necessary for the process of production and for transporting finished goods and raw material. Power may be electrical, it may be diesel or atomic energy. Next is the transport facility. So speedy transport facilities are needed for the regular and timely supply of raw material at low cost and for transporting finished products on time to the market. Another important factor that is to be considered is the suitability of the climate. Another important factors to be considered while selecting the plant location is the community. In community, the first thing that the management has to look for the availability of the expert labor. There are certain things that while selecting the location one should consider is a stable labor force, the right type of labor, adequate number of employees, reasonable wage rate, proper attitude toward work, reliability of labor supply. The another thing that is to be considered is the problem of finance and research that comes in front of many of the organizations. So because every organization, every enterprise, they need the finance for running up their business, and the need for finance cannot be underestimated, as when industry grows in size, it requires more and more funds to meet capital expenditure and revenue expenditure. The possibility of raising finance in locality certainly expert location pull. Therefore, the existence of banking institution will exert influence over the location of plant. Civic amenities means the fringe benefits that the plant, while setting up the plant, the organization has to think for the families of the for the families of the people, those who are working. So they have to give certain recreational facilities and the residential campus within their organization, within that area where the plant is located. Because if the plant is located in some remote area, then it would be very difficult for the families to run their livelihood over there. Another thing that is to be considered are the local taxes and restrictions. The locality for setting up a new factory must be such that the taxes levied are reasonable. The taxes usually collected from factories are octroi and license fees. Similarly, income tax, sales tax, and property tax must be considered, as they vary in each from area to area. Another important thing in this era where the government is more focusing than that, where the organization are disposing their waste. For example, NTPC, the waste of NTPC is are the coal ashes. So they are sending it to the brick manufacturing to get it mixed with the raw material of brick, and the waste of NTPC has been recycled and will be helpful in making the bricks. So all these things one has to consider while selecting the location.